contain a lot of calories. Our senior medical correspondent Elizabeth Cohen joins us now. Elizabeth, what did this research find?
You know, this research helps answer the question, why are we so fat as a nation? Now, I'm not going to blame sugary drinks, but when you look at the number of calories that we're getting from them, it does help answer that question. So let's take a look at what this study found from the CDC. What they found is that men on average are consuming about 175 calories per day from these sugary drinks, and women about 98 calories per day. Now, that may not sound like so many, but imagine day after day after day of consuming this many calories. And secondly, that is just an average. So let me show you what it looks like on the high end. 1 out of 20 Americans is drinking 4 of these drinks a day. That is 567 calories a day. That is half a Big Mac a day. So half a Big Mac a day in sugary drinks that, as I said, often have no other nutritional value. I mean, that is a lot of calories. And the American Beverage folks, the association, says, look, we're not why Americans are fat. In fact, people are getting fewer calories from sugary drinks than they ever have before.
Lobby always likes to send us emails when we talk about sugary drinks and the effect on the American obesity.
And they spend a lot of money to lobby too. You know, whenever governments try to ban these sugary stuff or tax them, right? Exactly. Who tends to drink these types of drinks the most?
You know what? Unfortunately, young people. And I say unfortunately because we all know that the obesity epidemic is really becoming particularly bad among young people. So take a look at these numbers for teenagers and the number of calories that they are getting from these sugary drinks. So boys, 273 calories per day, girls 171 calories per day. Again, that is really, I mean, 273 calories a day, multiply that out, that's a lot.
So as Allie's putting away his sugary drink.
You know, between you and Sanjay sent me something called kombucha, which I drank this morning.
Oh, how was it?
No, it was horrible. It tasted like smelly feet and blue cheese and bad breath.
It's why I'm sitting so close to Carol.
All I wanted to go is go to the vending machine and get a regular drink and wash it down.
Can I give you a radical suggestion for what to drink?
Yeah.
Water. Have you tried it? It's really good.
Does not have the same kick.
It quenches your thirst.
Yeah. Is that the solution here? How about diet drinks? How about like non-sugar? Is that okay?
You know, diet drinks are controversial. Some researchers will tell you, you know, have a diet drink, you'll get sort of that sweetness without getting all the sugar and the calories. But other people will say, hey, the fake sweeteners are bad for you in other ways. So that's a little bit controversial. So let me give you a couple of other ways that you can try to cut down on the amount of sugary drinks that you're drinking. Number one is don't go cold turkey. We like sugar, we like sweetness, we're programmed to like it biologically. So if you're having 3 a day, go have 2 a day, then 1 a day, do it slowly. Also, try a little club soda or some other kind of fizzy water with lime. I get it, I hear you snickering. I know it's not the same thing, but at least it's got the bubbles and it's got a little bit of flavor. And also, don't let kids start. I mean, it just kills me when I see a 3 or a 4-year-old drinking a soda. I mean, there's no reason. Right. There is nothing else in there for them, and there are so many other things they could be drinking that would be better for them.
Yeah, even like lemonade, you know, when you make lemonade for kids, cut it with a lot of water. You can cut orange juice with water. Just get there's a lot of sugar in there.
Does putting a lime in your club soda count as a vegetable serving?
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit and it's a fraction.
All right.
It's both.
All right, thanks so much, Elizabeth Cohen.
Thanks.
Oh,
by the way, I have a half a bottle of kombucha.